In this video, I want to show you how to make a real simple lip gloss from tkbtrading.com. So the first thing you want to do is you want to use a teaspoon of their TKB gloss base. I use this one because it's a little thicker and I like it. So I'm just going to measure out 1 teaspoon. Oops. Hand shaking to get that out. Okay. And if you go a smidge over, it's not going to hurt anything, or a smidge under. But I keep it to a teaspoon because when I make some of these recipes, sometimes you're just making one, and this will fill a 5 ml lip gloss tube. Okay, and then the next thing you want to put is a 1/2 teaspoon. That's my 3/4. I need my 1/2. 1/2 teaspoon of TKB's Oil Fusion. And if you want, you can also add a little bit of flavoring, or sometimes people like to put a little drop of lavender for just to give it a little fragrance. Okay, so once you do that, that is pretty much it. So you really got 2 ingredients, the TKB Oil Fusion and the TKB Gloss Base. Let me move this over here. Okay, so I want to put a little bit of color in this, so I'm going to put 1 tad of 24 karat gold mica. So I just want to tint this. So this is good. You can either wear it by itself, or you can put this over a lipstick. And that's really about the basis of it, and that's real simple. So the next thing we want to do is just want to stir it. And you can put less color in here if you want. You can actually put a little more color in here if you want. And so I am going to use this to put over my lipsticks because it's a real pretty gold. And that's it. That's how easy that is to make lip gloss from TKB. And sometimes if I want to make full color, I will use one of my color grind recipes and put a tad of that in here, and it'll give it a whole lot more color. Okay, that's how you make a simple lip gloss from TKB.